It is sad to note that our friend Dr. J.C. ALMEIDA, former Chief Secretary of Goa, has passed away yesterday evening. He was a brilliant officer which you will never find in present days. Well learned, well studied, well read, written several books. He has written books on mining. He was an economist. He had toiled in the civil administration for a better administration. He was a very strict officer. He was also director of civil supplies. He has studied in Portugal, in Lisbon. Such men are very rare to find in these days. There are no words to express on his sad passing away. My condolences to his wife and his children. May his soul rest in peace.